I started this law firm because there's a big gap in the practice of law. You didn't really have a mid-sized law firm that dedicated its entire practice to trust and estate litigation. I figured that was a niche. It needed to be filled, and I was destined to fill it.
Clients come to us with big problems.
This is going to be a very trying time for them.
You're talking about life-altering decisions that you have to make.
They have come to us for help. They have come to us because they're looking for a competent, zealous, aggressive law firm to take the injustice that they've been victimized by and to make it right.
It's much like a patient needs a doctor that they truly believe that they need me, and I want to make it right for them.
That's part of the reason why most of us went to law school, is to help people.
It's definitely a big responsibility, but we do everything we can to try to make sure that it's met.
There's a wrong that's happened, and it needs to be set right.
And you have to be ethical and you have to be honest about it, but boy, you have to be aggressive. And if you're not screaming for your client, if you're not screaming as loudly as you can for your client, get out of the profession.
The client's always the primary focus.
I need to make sure that my clients' needs are being met, make sure that their interests are being met.
I mean, at the end of the day, success is measured by the satisfaction of our clients.
Providing excellent customer service to the client is one of the main goals for everybody here.
I think that open communication is essential for the attorney-client relationship. Making sure that our clients are comfortable, making sure our clients are updated with every single case.
Let's think exit strategy, let's think strategy, let's think leverage, let's think about how to resolve this outside the traditional confines of litigation.
Not only are we lawyers who provide professional services in the form of access to the judicial system, we're also counselors.
They've never been involved in this situation before, and that very likely they're very uncomfortable and they're a little bit afraid, a little uncertain about what's going to happen next.
From the second I pick up the telephone, I'm counseling people. They need to hear from me what they need to hear to get through that first conversation and to get through the litigation and to get to a resolution.
And a lot of times people come to an attorney for advice. And sometimes that advice isn't strictly legal. Sometimes that advice could be personal advice, that could be life advice.
At the end of the day, I think that they're all very satisfied with the fact that we've done everything we possibly could for that case. And that's all I can ask for myself. That's all that any attorney here can ask for themselves.
You don't need a doormat. They need an advocate, a super aggressive advocate.
We pursue justice, and that's our mission here.
What have I done for you, and what am I going to do next for you? On a daily basis, I tell every single person in my law firm to ask themselves that question.